Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in to your TradingView account using your email. To sign into TradingView, first of all, launch open the TradingView application on your smartphone, and then once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and click on Sign In at the top. To sign into TradingView with email, you'll first need to sign up with email option whenever you open an account for TradingView. If you previously signed up with email, just tap on email or username option. Now in the respective text boxes seen on the next page, enter your email address in the first field. Make sure to enter the email associated with your TradingView account and go to the password field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember the password, you can get help by tapping Forgot Password link under the Sign In button. Finally, click the Sign In button at the bottom and you'll be able to sign in to your existing account. Just make sure that you've previously signed up with the same email option so that you can sign back in later. It is quick and beginner friendly. Once logged in, you can start exploring charts, crypto prices, and trading tools easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.